right. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to day 8 of the challenge 2022. This is the first challenge of the year. Tell me something. Are you guys behaving? I hope you are. Right. Okay. We're here today to film the fitness test, and I have with me Nadine. There we go. Welcome. How you doing?
Hello, everyone.
Okay, everyone. This is Nadine. Nadine is one of your trainers. Nadine, introduce yourself. Tell us a little bit about yourself.
Hi, everyone. My name's Nadine. I'm from the UK, and I've been a trainer now since last summer. And when I'm not training here, I'm cabin crew for Emirates.
So if you want an upgrade, this is the person to go to. Right. So when did you join CF, actually? When was your first class? Do you remember?
My first class was 2 to 3 years ago at Business Bay with Mr. Richard Wilson, the butcher.
Oh, gosh. The butcher. You know what he's like. Right. And what did you think about the class? You're still here today, so tell us.
It was good. It was intense. It was long. I thought 1 hour. I never used to do 1 hour workouts, but at the end of the class, that feeling that you've accomplished it was great.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And today you're here to film the fitness test.
I am.
Are you sure you're ready?
I'm ready.
Are you sure you're ready?
I'm ready.
She's ready. Right, here we go. So, the fitness test is a reverse ladder. Okay, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You've got 5 moves to perform here. You're going to do from 7 all the way down to 1. So the first one is going to be jump squats. Jump squats look like so, all the way down and up. Make sure you look forward. The second move is walkouts. Walk out and then walk straight back in. No need for a push-up. The third one is a sit-up. There we go. Now up, touch your toes, and then all the way back down. The fourth move is super plank. So elbows underneath your shoulders, up, down, up, down. And the final one is your favorite move, burpees. Here we go. All the way down as you come up, clap, and we move. So 7 all the way down to 1. In very simple terms, 7, 7, 7, 7, 5, no, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, all the way down to 1 rep. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Yeah? I know you have a time in your head. You're not going to share that with us, but we're going to crack on and see how you get on. I've got faith in you. All right, here we go. Okay, so Nadine is ready. We are about to start the fitness test with 7 jump squats starting in 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
We gonna ride till we fall.
Straight into walkouts.
They say we got no future at all. They wanna keep us out, can't hold us down anymore. We gonna ride till we fall. When we hit the bottom,
Sit-ups.
I'm to the top of you. We could be the greatest ones who never made it. Yeah, I could be talking to you. They tryna hate, but we won't change anything at all. Oh, we gonna ride till we fall.
And super plank. 40 seconds gone.
There must be some crowd, they know it all. No, they don't speak our language. They say we're too savage. No, we don't.
Okay, 7. And then it's going to burpees now. 1.
We're gonna ride till we fall.
3,
Till we fall.
4,
They don't speak our language. They say we're too savage.
6, and 7. That's it. 113. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now to sit-ups. Just move a bit further back. Move back a bit more. 1.
Keeping on going till we can't go no more. We're gonna ride till we fall. Yeah.
6. Super plank. Let's go. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Get those 6 burpees done. Let's go. Doing well. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well done. 5 jump squats. 5 walkouts. 2.5 minutes gone. Let's go. 5 sit-ups. 1, 2, 3. Well done. 4, 5. Let's go. Straight into super plank. 3 minutes gone. 5 burpees. Doing well, Nats. 1.
Now I like dollars, I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1 million deals. Where's my pen?
3.
Bitch, I'm signing. I like those Balenciagas, the ones that
4.
look like socks. I like going to the jeweler.
5. 3.5 minutes. Let's go. 4 jump squats. 1.
My exes when they want a second chance. I like
4
proving niggas
walkouts.
wrong. I do what they say I can't. They call me Cardi, Cardi, banging body, spicy mommy, hot tamale, hotter than a Somali.
4 sit-ups. Straight in.
Jump in the coop. Hit dip on top of the roof.
1.
Flexing on bitches as hard as I can. Eating halal, driving a lamb. So that bitch, I'm sorry though. Got my coins like Mario.
4 super planks. Well done, Nats. The hard bit's over.
I'm in district in the chain.
That's it. 4 burpees. 1,
Oh, he's so handsome. What's his name?
2,
I need the dollars.
3.
Beat it up like piñatas.
Well done. 3. We're counting down now. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Straight in. 1, 2, 3. 3 sit-ups. 2, 3 super planks. 1, 3 burpees. Well done, Nats. Come on. 4:40 on the clock. 4:45. 2, 3. We're now bound to 2 reps. Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2. 2 sit-ups. Nearly there, Nats. Doing really well. 1, 2. 2 super planks. 2 and 2 burpees. 1, 2. Last one. Let's go. 1. And we are done. Well done. Well done. Is this on? Woof. Woof.
Time diva.
Wow. Well done, Nads. Well done. How long do you think that took you?
I'm hoping under 5 minutes.
You're hoping under 5?
Yeah.
She will be lucky. You did that in 5:37. 5:37.
5:37.
Look, considering you've just finished trainer's training, which involves a lot of heavy weights, that is really, really good. Well done. Well done.
Thank you.
I was just getting tired watching you. There's no way I would have done that quickly. That's for sure. Right. Right. She can't speak right now, guys, as you can see, but I'm going to make her speak, all right, so that we can hear her out breath. Come on, tell us. Give us 3 words to explain that fitness test. 3 words. Put you on the spot right now. You can abuse Richard.
Challenging.
As much as you want.
Breathtaking. And fun.
And fun.
I'm going to say fun.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay, so now here comes the $1 million question. You did that in 5:37. You're going to repeat this in 2 weeks' time? 2 weeks' time. What do you think you can do next time?
5 minutes.
Oh.
I'm taking up 30 seconds.
5 minutes.
Yes, I'm
That
gonna
is
practice.
a big ask. That is a big ask. Should we hold her accountable for this, guys? I think we should. So you think you can come back in 2 weeks' time and do this in 5 minutes?
I will practice
All
every
right.
day.
Well, guys, that's the whole idea of the fitness test, okay? So you do this today. This is going to be your benchmark. In 2 weeks' time, after you've done 2 more weeks of the challenge, everything that it consists of, you should come back feeling stronger, fitter, sharper, and bring that time down a little bit. So Nats, well Well done. Solid work.
Thank you.
All right. Guys,
everyone.
see you guys next time. Ned, say bye-bye to our challengers.
Thank you. Good luck, challengers, and keep pushing.